Good morning, my dear students. Now continuation of atomic structure in introduction part last time completed. Fundamental particles. Last time I given protons. Fundamental particles proton, electron, neutron completed. Next another one is now we will discussing about that electrons information. So first electron. So electron was discovered by J. Thomson by cathode ray experiment. Last time I explained. And the name electron was given by G.J. Stoney or Stoney. And electron. So electron relative charge minus 1. Relative charge minus 1. And absolute charge minus 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs, or another one is there minus 4.802 into 10 to the power minus 10 ESU. ESU means electrostatic units. Minus 4.802 into 10 to the power minus 10 ESU. ESU means electrostatic units. And absolute mass means simply here 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kilograms or 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 28 grams. 9.1 into minus 31 kilograms or 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 28 grams. Absolute mass. And another one is relative mass. Next, relative mass. So relative mass, that means 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 28 grams. Sorry, relative mass. Relative mass means 0.0055 AMU. AMU full form atomic mass unit. So relative mass of electron 0.00055 AMU. So these are information about that electron. So electron absolute charge minus 1.602 in 10 to the power minus 19 or minus 4.802 in 10 to the power minus 10 ESU. Absolute mass 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kilograms or 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 28 grams. Relative mass 0.00055 AMU. AMU full form atomic mass unit. So these are fundamental particles of second particle electron. Last one is neutron. Neutron was discovered by Chadwick by bombardment of beryllium element with helium particle. Neutron was discovered by Chadwick. Okay, so relative charge. So relative charge 0. Absolute charge also 0. Okay, and another one is, so generally 0 means no value. Absolute charge also 0. And absolute mass equal to generally 1.675 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams or 1.675 into 10 to the power minus 27 kilograms. Okay, next relative mass equal to generally 1.008665 AMU. AMU full form atomic mass unit. So relative mass of neutron 1.008665 AMU. So these are fundamental particles, some information: proton, electron, neutron. Proton having positive charge, electron having negative charge, neutron having no charge, 0 charge. So these are fundamental particles, some important information. Okay. Next another one is atomic models. Atomic models. Body made by atomic model. Atomic models are atomic model. Body made by atomic model. Atomic model means the arrangement of electrons, protons and neutrons in an atom is pictured by atomic model. The arrangement of protons and neutrons in an atom is pictured by atomic model. The arrangement of electrons, protons and neutrons in an atom is pictured by atomic model. We know atom containing compulsory three fundamental particles: electron, proton and neutron. The arrangement of electrons, protons and neutrons in an atom is pictured by atomic model. Generally in the atomic model, first atomic model was introduced by J.J. Thomson. So first one is J.J. Thomson atomic model. J.J. Thomson. So J.J. Thomson atomic model. So first atomic model was proposed by J.J. Thomson atomic model. According to J.J. Thomson atomic model, atom is spherical in shape. And the inside of the atom containing positively charged. So generally positively charged is distributed inside of the atom. The radius of atom is 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. Okay, electrons are embedded like seeds. Generally J.J. Thomson atomic model is also known as water. J.J. Thomson atomic model is similar to that of watermelon fruit. Simply, according to J.J. Thomson model, the atom is spherical. The atom is spherical and inside positively charged distributed. Positively charged material. Positively charged distributed. Positively charged distributed. And electrons are embedded like seeds. So the model similar to that of watermelon fruit. According to J. Thomson model, the atom is spherical and inside positively charged distributed. And electrons are embedded like seeds. So the model similar to that of watermelon fruit. Simply, J.J. Thomson model is also known as a watermelon model. Here the atom. So generally, here positively charged is nothing but a fibrous material. Here positively charged material, fibrous. Positively charged means here positively charged means fibrous material. F-I-B-R-O, fibrous material. And another one is seeds. Seeds is nothing but electrons. So generally simply electrons means seeds. Okay. In J.J. Thomson model, the size of the atom, the radius of atom is generally according to J.J. Thomson model, the atom is spherical shape. The radius of atom is 10 to the power of minus 10 meters or 10 to the power minus 8 centimeters. 10 to the power minus 10 meters or 10 to the power. The radius of atom is J.J. Thomson. So according to J.J. Thomson, the atom is a spherical shape and it containing electrons are embedded, and electrons are embedded like that seeds, and the inside of the atom is distributed positively charged distributed, positively charged distributed, like that fibrous material. The radius of atom is like the watermelon fruit generally. So the model is similar to that of watermelon fruit, and another one is the model is also known as plum pudding model or raisin pudding model. Simply like that, J.J. Thomson is there. Their atom like that simply. So these are electrons. Plus. Okay. So these are electrons. That means seeds, like that seeds. Okay. So these are fibrous material. Like that. Okay. So these are J.J. Thomson atomic model. So these are first atomic model was introduced by J.J. Thomson. First model was introduced by J.J. Thomson. According to this theory, generally the atom having spherical in shape, the size of the atom is how much? 10 to the power minus 10 meters. So 10 to the power minus 10. 10 to the power minus 10 meters means 10 to the power minus 8 centimeters. So these are J.J. Thomson atomic model. And the second model is Rutherford atomic model. Once again, write down. Next, Rutherford atomic model. Next, keep citing Rutherford atomic model. Write down. Rutherfords. Then Rutherford atomic model, that is a Rutherford model is generally sun planetary model. Their alpha ray scattering experiment. Simply Rutherford alpha rays scattering experiment. Here simply here beam simply. So these are radioactive substance, and these are lead plate. They are gold foil. So these are radioactive substance. These are lead plate. These are gold foil. Simply like that. Here also same. . Okay, so these are Rutherford alpha scattering experiment. When alpha rays are produced from radioactive substance through lead plate with gold foil, it produces different types of rays. So these are experiment. These are all concept for intermediate purpose no need, my dear students. ఇప్పుడు మనం చెప్పుకునే ఇంటర్మీడియట్లో అవసరం లేదు, మనం బ్రిడ్జ్ సారీ ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ అవర్ నాలెడ్జ్, మన సబ్జెక్ట్ని డెవలప్ చేసుకోవడం జస్ట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ రిక్వైర్డ్. సబ్జెక్ట్ని డెవలప్ చేసుకోవడానికి మనకి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కావాలి. మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఆర్ యూ ఫాలోయింగ్ దిస్ అప్ టు దిస్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఫర్ ఐపీ పర్పస్ నో నీడ్, బట్ హౌ కెన్ ఇంప్రూవ్ ద నాలెడ్జ్? సో ఇంప్రూవ్ ద నాలెడ్జ్. ఓకే, Rutherford alpha ray scattering experiment. From this experiment, what he observed? Generally, according to Rutherford theory, the atom is spherical in shape. The atom is spherical in shape. The atom containing the central part of the atom is known as nucleus. According to Rutherford theory, generally, the central part of the atom is known as nucleus. Nucleus contains nucleons. What are nucleons? Proton and neutrons. Nucleus is surrounded by electrons. So, generally, the Rutherford model is also known as sun planetary model. Generally, negatively charged electrons are revolve around the nucleus in particular path. These are called orbits. Okay? Generally, Rutherford model is also known as a sun planetary model. So, according to Rutherford theory, Rutherford model, the atom is spherical in shape. The central part of the atom is known as nucleus. Next, the radius of atom, the radius of an atom is 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeters or 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. But the radius of nucleus is 10 to the power of minus 13 centimeters or 10 to the power of minus 15 meters. The central part of the atom is known as nucleus. Nucleus having positive charge. Next one is nucleus having positive charge. Nucleus containing nucleons. What are nucleons? Protons and neutrons present in the nucleus are known as nucleons. Nucleus containing protons and neutrons, these are known as nucleons. So nucleus having positive charge. Negatively charged electrons revolve around the nucleus in circular path. This path is called orbits. Generally, the nucleus is surrounded by electrons. Generally, positive charge of negatively charged electrons are revolve around the nucleus in circular path. This path is called orbits. Generally, electrons revolve around the nucleus in a circular path. It is called orbit. It is called orbit. Generally like that. Here nucleus is there. Like that. These are electrons. Okay, like that, this type of electron, that is known as, so the Rutherford model is also known as, the Rutherford model is similar to that of Sun planetary model. So generally, Rutherford model is also known as Sun planetary model. Sun planetary model. It is a Rutherford model, that is a Sun planetary. Sun planetary model. Rutherford model is also known as Sun planetary model. So these are Rutherford atomic theory. But drawbacks. So Rutherford drawbacks. Rutherford theory defects. Okay, Rutherford theory can explain the nucleus, protons, okay. And demerits, defects. So demerits or defects. This theory cannot explain the electronic structure of an atom. Electronic structure of an atom. And this theory against law of electrodynamics. This theory against law of electrodynamics. Electron structure of atom cannot explain the stability of atom. And another one is cannot explain the various energies of electrons. So this theory cannot explain the electron structure of atom. Generally, according to electrodynamics theory, positively charged nucleus is surrounded by negatively charged electrons. Total atom collapse, but atom is more stable. The stability cannot explain this theory. Okay, this theory against to law of electrodynamics and cannot explain the stability of an atom, cannot explain the various energies of electrons. Various energies of electrons. These are Rutherford model. Okay, my dear students, up to these all concepts are only introduction, just to improve the knowledge. Up to till how much concept I explained, these concepts are there in intermediate. ఇప్పుడు వరకు నేను చెప్పింది కాన్సెప్ట్లమో మనకి ఎగ్జామ్లో లేవు, ఐపీకి లేవు. జస్ట్ హౌ కెన్ ఇంప్రూవ్ ద నాలెడ్జ్. సో సమ్ బేసిక్ పాయింట్స్ అండ్ improve the some important points. That means improve the basic knowledge. Okay, after that so these are atomic models, Rutherford atomic models, like that. And the next one is very important, atomic number. Atomic number is denoted by the symbol Z. Atomic number. The number of electrons or protons present in an atom of an element. The number of electrons or protons present in an atom of element is known as atomic number. Atomic number Z indicates the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom or number of electrons in the neutral of an atom. So the number of protons or electrons present in the atom of an element is known as atomic number. So atomic number Z, it is represented by symbol Z. Okay, so the number of protons or electrons present in an atom of the number of protons or electrons present in an atom of element is known as, is called atomic number. Represented by symbol Z. Atomic number Z indicates equal to number of protons in the nucleus of an atom or number of electrons in neutral atom. Number of protons in the nucleus of an atom or number of electrons in neutral atom. Generally, in neutral atom, number of protons equal to number of electrons. Next, write down that point. In neutral atom, number of protons equal to number of electrons. In neutral atom, number of protons equal to number of electrons. So that is a atomic number. And another one is Moseley gives the relation between atomic number. So Moseley gives the relationship between frequency of characteristics of X-rays given element, given by an element, its atomic number. Moseley gives the relationship between frequency of characteristics of X-rays given by an element, its atomic number. Simply. Moseley gives the relation between frequencies of characteristics of X-rays given. Moseley gives the relation between frequencies of characteristics of X-ray given by an element and its atomic number. This equation is known as Moseley equation. Root of mu equal to a into z minus b. That is a Moseley equation. Here z, a and b are constants. And mu means frequency and z means atomic number. These are very important Moseley equation. Root of mu equal to a into z minus b. Here z means atomic number. A and b are constants. That is a Moseley equation. Write down Moseley equation. Write down Moseley equation, my dear students. Moseley equation. So atomic number. And another one is mass number. Mass number A. Mass number means A. The sum of number of protons and neutrons present in the sum of number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom. Nucleus of an atom is known as mass number. The sum of number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom is known as mass number. It is represented by symbol A. Simply A equal to P plus N. Simply nuclear numbers. So mass number is nothing but nuclear. Nuclear means the particles present in the nucleus are known as nucleons. Nucleons. Simply what are nucleons? Protons and neutrons. Anyway, the sum of number of protons, the sum of number of protons and neutrons present in the sum of number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom is known as a mass number. It is represented by symbol A. A equal to P plus N, protons and neutrons. Next another one is number of neutrons equal to number of neutrons N equal to A minus Z. A means difference between mass number and atomic number. That means number of neutrons. Number of neutrons equal to N equal to A minus Z. Mass number minus atomic number, that equal to number of neutrons. We know any neutral atom number of electrons equal to number of protons. Number of protons equal to number of electrons in neutral atom. Okay. Next another one is, for example, now I am taking sodium 1123. Here atomic number Z, atom mass number A. Here Z how much? 11. Mass number how much? 23. So these are example 1. And example 2. So simply 6 carbon 12. So Z equal to 6, so A equal to 12. Okay. In this case, I am taking this case, number of electrons and number of protons and number of neutrons. In this case, number of neutrons. The number of electrons how many? 11. 11. How many neutrons? 12. In this case also, number of electrons, number of protons and number of neutrons. In this case, here number of electrons how many? 6. Here also 6. Here equal. Anyway, sodium 23 contain 11 protons, 11 electrons, 12 neutrons. How calculate neutrons? Neutrons N equal to A minus Z. 23 minus 11, that means 12. Here carbon 12, 6. So protons 6, electrons 6, neutrons also 6. So these are fundamental particles. Neutral atoms. Now I am taking ions. Now I am taking ions. So example ions. For example, Na plus is there. Here, number of protons, number of electrons, number of neutrons. Ions are two types, cation and anion. Ion means only change the electrons. Losing of electron, electron difference. Gaining of electron, electron changes. If we will take any ion, cation or ion, we change the electron but not change the neutrons and protons. Here 11 protons, 12 neutrons common. But electrons, 11 plus means losing of electron. Here how many? 10 electrons. That answer. Example 1. And example 2, now I am taking another example. Oxide ion, that name is oxide ion. In oxide ion, number of protons, number of electrons and number of neutrons. Number of neutrons equal to oxygen 8 protons, electrons 8, 2 electrons are gained, 8 plus 2 10. Neutrons, so protons and neutrons equal. Anyway 8 plus 8 and 10. So these are how can calculate the protons, electrons, neutrons, particular neutral atoms and different types of ions, cations and anions. So these are atomic number and mass number. Atomic number Z indicates the number of electrons or number of protons in an atom. For any neutral atom, number of electrons equal to number of electrons equal to number of protons. Okay. Mass number, the sum of number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom is known as mass number. Mass number is denoted by symbol A. A equal to P plus N, total number of protons and neutrons. So generally number of neutrons equal to A minus Z. Here A means mass number, Z means atomic number. So these are fundamental particles. Okay. Next one is isotopes. Previous in bridge course I explained elements having or atoms having. So elements having same atomic number, different mass number of the same elements are called isotopes. Once again, isotope means elements having same atomic number, different mass number of the same elements are called isotopes. So elements having same atomic number. Elements are so elements having same atomic number. Same atomic number. Same atomic number. But different mass number of. Different element, same elements. Same elements are called isotopes. Elements having same atomic number but different mass number of same elements are called isotopes. Example, these having same chemical properties, but different physical and radioactive properties. Elements having same atomic number but different mass number of same elements are called isotopes. These having same chemical properties but different physical and radioactive properties. So examples we know. 1H1, 1H2, 1H3, hydrogen isotopes, example 1. And another one is cis carbon 12, cis carbon 13, cis carbon 14. They are also isotopes. And the third, uranium 235, I am writing. That is also very rare. And example 3, uranium 235, uranium 238. And the fourth one is 17 chlorine 35, 17 chlorine 37. So these are different types of isotopes. Okay. Okay, my dear students. Isotope means elements having same atomic number. Elements having elements having same atomic number, different mass number of same elements are called isotopes. Isotopes having same chemical properties but physical and radioactive properties different. Example, normal hydrogen isotopes, carbon 6 carbon 12, 13, 14 also. Okay, these are our isotopes. Okay, my dear students, up to here enough. Remaining concept next class I will explain. Okay, thank you for all.